Encounters Rolling Part 2. I'm going to turn on the welder because I was making a video and the battery went dead on my device. What else is new? So all I'm doing now is putting a little dimple of weld on the bottom of the hinge pin so that the pin doesn't work its way up in time. I'll shine the light on it. Not much to see there, really. Right there. So I'm just going to go zzz for 2 seconds. Watch your eyes, buddies. You're probably not going to see this because my hood's going to be in the way. That's it. Not much to it. I'm not sure if I hit the pin or what I hit. I think I got it. What do you think? With my dead battery. What are we looking at here? Right over there. Just a bit of weld so the pin doesn't go up into the bushing, into the hinge. I'll bolt it all together. I'll put you on pause and try not to kill my battery. Alrighty, I lifted the door up slightly and I put a drop of grease on the threads of the bolts. And I didn't cross-thread them. Thank goodness for that. I think what I'll do is I'll put the hydraulic floor jack under the front of the door, closer to the front fender, and I'll jack it up to make sure that my hinge is not sagging slightly, because the lower bushings may not be in any better shape. The upper one was the worst one, but the lower one may be pretty bad too. They look to be original, 35 years old. GM and Ford and Chrysler and whoever else actually sell new hinge assemblies. A friend of mine put one of my tenants rather, put it on a Ford, on a Crown Victoria or a Marquis. So, pause you for a second. So I've got a piece of wood under the edge of the door. I'm not jacking it up much because I'll bend the door. And I'll tighten my bolts up and see how... I didn't mark position, but you can usually tell by the grease marks on the door to put everything back. That's going back right where it was. When I did this on the diesel blazer, I put some washers between the hinge plate and the door to space the bottom to get some alignment issue fixed. GM didn't build these to the highest standard. I used to sell these things brand new back in 1981. On the showroom floor, we actually had a 2-wheel drive straight 6 Blazer. They don't make those. They stopped making those in 83 or something. They got rid of the 6-cylinder 2-wheel drives. Wow, it feels nice and tight. Wow, I did something wrong here. Oh, a piece of wood. Oops, no wonder it's not spinning. That's good for the door. Yeah, it's really tight now. I'll have to play around with the adjustments, and the little bushing just fell out of there. I just heard something fall down, the bushing that I popped out of there. It's still rubbing over here. I may have to move that plate forward, which is not easy because the bolts are on this side or the inside under the dash. They are accessible, but I'm not going to show you that part. It involves some swearing. So I'll work on it. Closes worse than it did before I touched it. Oh man. Alright, that's my next job. Post some videos and crank that baby up. Had that welder for almost 30 years. Hard to believe. What a beautiful day it was. Nice and hot and sunny and buggy.